Breaking news this morning, multiple fire investigations underway at this hour in the area of 49th and Center Streets in Milwaukee. 12 News' Mallory Anderson is live there now. Mallory, the homeowner believes the fire was intentionally set.
Right, Jaron, we're here at 49th and Center where the fire crews just left about 2 minutes ago, but you can see the damage on the back of two of these homes actually. The homeowner or resident actually told me she believes that this was started when firecrackers started going off in her backyard by someone who she doesn't know. But this is not the only fire that we've been to this morning. This morning we have video of it. We were also at 54th and Lisbon. This was where a second fire happened, and auto body shop workers told us they believe that, or they had heard that that fire was intentionally set inside of a garbage bin in the back of the house. That house was also occupied. We even saw a AC unit in one of the windows. So those auto shops employees told us that they heard someone was setting trash on fire and that house had people living in it. And now here at 49th and Center, the woman I talked to told me that police told her this was the 5th fire they responded to today.
The police officers told me this is the 5th fire from today. Somebody is going around literally doing this on purpose. This house across the street from my house was set on fire last week or 2 weeks ago. I remember the whole block came outside watching his house in flames. So I'm like, somebody has to be going to do that, you know, purposely.
So that fire that you just heard that woman refer to is actually this house right in front of me here. That top floor totally burned out. Both of the units are a loss. The man who owns this home tells us that that was something that happened just a few weeks ago, and they are pretty concerned about these fires being set around this area. I have reached out to Milwaukee Police for more information to see how many fires they are investigating. Like we said, it was only the woman that lives in that house that told us she heard it could have been 5. So we'll keep you updated throughout the day as we learn more.
Mallory Anderson reporting live for us this morning near 49th and Center in Milwaukee.